Hey guys, I'm Evelyn Urias with Ricardo Amigo Real Estate, and today I'm going to show you a beautiful spec home located in La Ahorcadita Hills called Flor del Desierto, which means flower of the desert. Flor del Desierto is inside a 1,000 square meter lot in La Ahorcadita Hills. We have a total of 222 square meters of construction, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, an amazing pool and rooftop. It will come with all kitchen appliances and pergolas. And over here, we're gonna have a beautiful pergola and the barbecue area. So this is where the social area of the house will be. And look at the beautiful views. We are 3 months away from finishing this house, so don't doubt and contact us at ricardoamigorealestate.com.